Once upon a time, there was a kind princess named Emma who lived in a beautiful castle. Emma had two best friends, a little bird named Tweet and a playful cat named Whiskers. One sunny day, Emma, Tweet, and Whiskers decided to explore the forest near the castle. As they walked, they heard a soft crying sound coming from behind a bush. Curious, they peeked around the bush and found a small, lost bunny. The bunny was scared and didn't know how to get back home. Emma gently picked up the bunny and said, "Don't worry, we'll help you find your way home." Tweet flew up high to look for the bunny's home, while Whiskers used her sharp nose to sniff out the path. Emma held the bunny close, comforting it with her kind words. After a little while, Tweet spotted a cozy burrow at the edge of the forest. Whiskers led the way, and soon they found the bunny's home. The bunny's family was so happy to see their lost little one return safely. The bunny thanked Princess Emma, Tweet, and Whiskers for their help. They all became good friends and promised to visit